Let's face it, gardening in the heat and humidity can be a challenge. Finding balance can be tricky, and keeping up with maintenance is endless and expensive. But what if your yard could be beautiful and also low maintenance? Welcome to the world of ecological landscaping. Using permaculture, you can transform your outdoor space into a sustainable oasis that thrives year-round. Imagine spending less time and money on maintenance and more time enjoying your property. The right plants, water-saving techniques, and other strategies reduce upkeep to near zero, so you can relax. With clever inclusion of ancient irrigation methods, you'll cut water costs by up to 90%. Little-known methods will keep your garden hydrated without draining your wallet. Strategic plantings can cool your home, reducing air conditioning needs, while adding beauty to your yard. And with zero-waste landscaping, you can lower your trash bill, turning debris into soil that feeds your plants naturally. It's all about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Not only does an eco-friendly yard increase quality of life, but it can also boost your property value by up to 15%. It's a smart investment in both your home and the planet. And you'll inspire and impress your neighborhood as well. If you're ready to transform your property into a low-maintenance, sustainable oasis that's perfect for you, I'm giving away a free written strategy. I'll show you how to apply permaculture to reduce costs and increase your property value. Sign up free today.